In this video, we're going to add two numbers together, 31 and 47. And what you need to remember is the place value. So the numbers in purple here are the tens, and the ones in blue are the ones. So for this particular problem, you won't need to regroup. And another way of saying regroup is to carry the number to the tens. So what I mean by that is if the ones add up to something greater than 9, so for example, if they add up to 11, if you look at my previous video that reviews carrying or regrouping using block models, it will help you understand how to carry or regroup. But for this one, when we add 7 and 1, it's just the number 8. And that's it. There's no regrouping that needs to happen because the number is less than 10. Then when we take a look at the tens column, 4 plus 3 is 7. So we know the answer to this is 78. So at this point, you should be able to add up those numbers in your head. But if you're still having some problems, just use the number line. And if you want to, take a look at one of my other videos that reviews adding using a number line. And don't worry if you don't get this right away, just rewind the video and watch it again.